Hello, good evening. Can you hear me, Potato?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you today?
And then that,
Oh, how was your day today? How was your school? Did you go to school today?
yeah.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so Potato, today we are going to have lesson 13 since we did lesson 11 and 12 last time. Okay, so
That's
here
all
it
the song.
is. Okay, there you go. Potato, can you see teacher's screen? Can
Yeah,
you see my
so
screen? Yes. So what is unit 13 all about? Can you tell me?
it is different home.
Very good. So unit 13 is all about different homes. All right, here we go. So before we start, we have here first words in the vocabulary. First, what's the first word we have? Door. Next, two.
No,
Uh,
leave,
Lives
leave.
and tree. Okay. So we have here the door, the leaves, and the tree. Next, what's the next one? We have here is what's the next one?
Wow.
Wall. Correct. Next, what's the second one? We have
Roof,
roof
chimney,
and
chimney.
chimney. Correct. So we have the wall that we found in as part of the house. Next, the roof and the chimney. Next, potato. What is the next word we have here is the
Window,
win
badminton,
oh, not
carpet.
not badminton, it's basement. Again, basement. Okay, basement is found under. Okay, under the house. So we have the window, the basement, and the balcony. Next, potato. What are the three words we have here is what is it, potato?
What?
What are the words? Please read.
Bad, me, grass.
Stair, mat, and grass. Correct. Okay, this one. Potato, I have here words that are found in here. So what you are going to do is you're going to draw lines to where are these. For example, the first word is door. You're going to draw a line. Where is the door? Okay? So potato,
Yeah.
can you draw
Yeah.
lines to the following words? Okay? Okay, I will just wait.
Okay.
Okay, Potato, there's still words below. Window, basement, balcony, stairs, mat, and grass.
Okay.
Okay, so look at here. So, Potato, are you now ready to check your answers? Ready to check? Are you
Yeah.
ready? All right, so
Yeah.
here we go. So first we have the leaves, correct? Trees, correct? Next we have the wall. Where's your wall? Where's your wall, Potato?
Yeah.
Oh, are you correct with the wall? This one is the wall. Okay, next. Roof, correct? Chimney. Oh, chimney, Potato. That's not the chimney. The chimney is this one on top. Okay, it is where the smoke from the house goes out, come out. Window, correct? Basement, look at the basement, Potato. It is the room under the ground or under the house. It's what you call basement. Next, balcony, the chimney that you pointed. That's not the chimney, that's a balcony. Next, stairs, correct. Mat, it is where the cat is sleeping. And of course, grass. Okay, look up there. Look at Potato. Study the picture. And those are the words that we had found in the vocabulary words for a while. Okay, there you go. Okay, look at this one. Okay, Potato. Which word here says where on the trees? What can we found on the trees? What can you see on the trees? There are
Leave.
leaves. Next, number two. I'm on the first floor outside the window. What can you see on the first floor outside the window?
Bed.
Is it a basement? Wall. It is a on the
Wall.
it's called that starts with letter B.
Balcony.
Balcony, correct. Next, I am under the ground at the bottom of the house. Okay, Potato. I'm under the ground at the bottom of the house. What is that? It's called under the ground at the bottom of the house. What do you call to this one?
Bed.
Basement. Yeah, that's the room under the house. Next, the cat sleeping on me. Where's the cat sleeping? Where is the cat sleeping?
Mat.
It's on the mat. Correct. Next here, there are 11 of us in this house. Which one there, Potato? Is 11. There are 11 of like this in the house.
What?
There are 11 of us in the house. It's found outside the house.
Roof.
Is it a roof? 11. It starts with letter W.
Window.
Window. Very good. So in the picture, you can see there 11 windows in the house. Okay. Now, Potato, I want you to read and answer the following numbers. Numbers 1 to 6. Encircle the letter of your correct answer. For example, hi, Mark. I had lots of fun this afternoon. So what is the best or the correct response to
About
Mark?
it.
Tell me about it. Okay, number 1, potato. Please read.
I went to the big house with my uncle.
Okay, I went to that big old house where my uncle works. What is this? What do you think is the best answer of Mark? Is it, yes,
B.
that's wrong, I know that place, or sorry, I can't? The answer is letter.
B.
Okay, I'll encircle your answer. Next, potato, number 2. Sally, please read, Sally. There.
They are making a movie inside the house.
Okay, they're making a movie inside the house. Is it A? Here they
B.
are. B, how exciting. Or C, it's not brave. What's the answer?
B.
B. Okay, next, number 3, potato. Read, Sally. There are there where? Please read.
A lot of mouth.
Of famous.
People that play.
Okay, there were lots of famous people here today. Is it A, really? B, I'm silly. Or C, shall I? What do you think?
I.
Letter A, really. Okay, wait for a while. Wisa. Okay, number 4, read, Mark. Ay, narada eh. Please read number 4, potato. Is your uncle go?
The moon inside the you forget it. It's okay. Just share.
Okay, number 4. Is your uncle in the movie? Is it A? No, you mustn't. B, it's too scary. Or C, yes, he is. What do you think?
What?
What do you think is the answer number 4? Is your uncle in the movie? Is it A? No, you mustn't. B, it's too scary. Or C, yes, he is. What's the
Just
answer?
share.
Its answer is letter. Okay, C. Next, potato, number 5. How about number 5? Please read. I helped.
I have the cameraman today.
Okay, I helped the cameraman today. Is it A? No thanks. B, well done. Or C, come on.
Me.
B, well done. Okay, next, number
Me.
number 6, potato. I can show you part of the movie on my phone. Is it A? Fantastic. B, me too. Or C, be careful.
Fantastic.
Okay, potato, are you ready to answer or are you ready to check your word? Ready to check?
That's all.
Okay. Yes, number 1. I went to the big old house where my uncle works. The correct answer is very good. Letter B. I know that place. Number 2, they're making a movie inside the house. The answer number 2 is how exciting. Letter B. Very good. Next, number 3, there were lots of famous people here today. The answer is really? Correct. Really. Number 4, is your uncle in the movie? The answer is yes, he is. Correct. Number 5, potato. I helped the cameraman today. The answer is well done. Correct. Number 5, I can show you part of the movie on my phone. The answer is fantastic. Great job, Potato. Look at that. You've got 6 perfect scores. Very good. Was it easy or was it difficult? How was it?
Teacher.
Potato? Easy. Okay, very good. All right, great work, Potato, because you were able to complete the conversation. Okay, now here, Potato, let's use 1, 2, or 3 words to complete the sentences about Sally's afternoon. Okay, we are going to complete the sentences about Sally's afternoon. For example, Potato, look at here. Sally and Mark are talking
About
about the
the
things.
celebrated afternoon.
Okay, number 1. What do you think? Please read number 1. Sally's uncle. Please read. Go.
Sally uncle work
Works.
in a
Oh, where do you think Sally's uncle works? In the
work in a in the big old house.
in the big old house. Are you sure? Let's see.
Yeah.
Sally's uncle works in big old house. Very good. Number 2. Very good, Potato. Number 2. The people. Go.
The
Balik.
people inside the house are making
The people inside the house are making what?
lots of farm out.
Okay. The answer is a
Movie.
okay, movie.
A movie.
Next, number 3.
Sally saw them.
Sally saw some blank there. What do you think?
Saw some lot of family people.
Okay, what is it? Sally saw some, again, what's the answer, Potato?
Lot of them are
Oh, famous, again. Famous,
them.
okay, famous people. Next, number 4. What's number 4? Number 4, Sally worked. Go.
He worked in
Worked,
the
not worked. It's worked with
they work in the
with
they
the
work with
blank.
the cameraman.
Let's look at here. Very good. Work with the cameraman today. Number 5. Please read 5. Sally and Mark.
Hand on the scary movie on Sally.
Number 5. Sally and Mark can watch part of the scary movie on Sally's phone. Perfect. Very good, Potato. You did it great. You were able to answer the following. Okay, wait me. Potato, before we start with our speaking part 3, you enter again to the Zoom class, Potato, so that we will not end during the discussion, okay? Enter immediately, okay? Potato, enter again. Okay.